Everyone, we're back in Davao. We are going to attend Kuya Bong Duterte's birthday, and also kasama natin ngayon si Pambansang Kolokoy. So ang flight namin nauna lang ng mga 50 minutes, so magpapalipas muna kami ng oras dito sa Suswus Copay, yung tapat lang niya. So yan, kain muna kami and then follow niyo adventures namin dito sa Davao. She ordered chicken sandwich and she's like, where's the chicken? I mean, that's how it is here. Sa US kasi ang chicken, isang buong chicken talaga. But that's good kasi alam ko dito, kaya hindi ako kain eh. Kasi alam ko, pagpunta ko ng Davao last time, puro kain lang kami. Kaya mas maganda na maghintay na ako ng konti. Tsaka kumain ako bago malis eh. Siya kasi hindi. Salad. Chicken salad. So first time ni Sir Renya sa Davao, pretty much. First time sa Philippines, so. Oh! Alright, so andito na sila Pambansang Kolokoy. And mamaya isipin ako ng mga videos natin. So, Marina Tuna, dami na pa. Ito, first stop namin, marami na pala mga celebrity pumunta dito. So, yung fresh fish nila. So, dito kami sa Davao. We're gonna try the street foods here. So, hopefully, Sir Renya will try a little bit more.
Hopefully, I'm correct today.
And see what's the difference. Because this is like, I said, like, Luzon is like the first island, and this is like the third. So, we skip the middle for now. Let's see if there's any difference, and we're excited. We'll try. She's excited. She found fruits.
No, like the ones that has caramel.
Yeah.
Ano yung nilalagay dyan para tumigas?
At least you have something to start with. Yeah. I'm actually pretty hungry. It's really hard.
It's not that hard.
I guess I'm just. I was afraid that she's not gonna like anything, but so far, you want coconut juice? Yeah, that's like real coconut. Soft inside?
Yeah, it's so soft inside.
We call it malauhog. Malauhog means like your snout. Like, so that's how it feels like. Yeah, she lied. No. Oh, shomai. You like shomai? Oh, they have chili.
Dynamite. You should try that.
Chili, yeah.
Dynamite. They call it dynamite.
Too spicy?
No. For you? No. Mexican. Yeah.
No.
Try it. Comfort food for Sir Renya. Oh, this one is good too. Cheese sticks. They have different kinds of balls. It's spicy. I guess the one that I got was spicy, right? Because that was a little spicier than you got. Bro, I'm gonna sweat. When you first came here, you're looking for this. Siniguelas? Yeah, that's siniguelas.
But this is not one. Are the ones that I already tried?
No. That's duhat. This one's the actual siniguela. Yeah. See? Siniguelas. Parang tahin. Every time I eat something spicy, I sweat more. Hindi ko kaya maanghang talaga. But it's called puto bongbong. Like they usually just make it during Christmas. Magkano yung kuya?
30 lang siya. Ito sir.
Avocado, isa, o durian, isa po. Tatlo lahat.
Ilalagay mo lahat sa isang ano lang.
Dili. Avocado.
Avocado.
Durian.
Okay.
Tatlo.
Thank you.
4 ang tama na sagot. Sa 14 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 equals 4. O tay, anong gagawin mo? Bakit naman tay?
Hanapin mo mga kulay puti.
Kulay puti?
O ang sa tumuya sa tawag na.
Ito. O tapos,
Kunin mo.
kunin ko. O.
Dito lang kayo.
Oh my god.
Total mo.
114 plus 1 minus 1. Yung nga iniisip ko kanina.
Hindi totoo yan.
Iniisip ko kanina kaso nga.
Bola lang yan.
Galing oh.
Gamay lang. What is that?
Filipino like balls.
Yeah. Sana all. Good.
What? It's different. Like there's like a lot of sauce.
Yes. The other one, it was like more salty. This is like sweet. Bitter.
Oh.
Like ketchup and mayo.
Yeah.
Yes.
This is. I wonder what flavor this is though. It's kind of.
It's like weird.
You're right.
Yeah,
Like
right?
Ketchupy. Oh, I got it now. Pag kinagat mo, kaya marami usok. That's why I was like, how come she has more?
Sa mabasa siya, boss. Mabasa ng laway.
Yeah.
Wow. A lot of stuff, but she actually did.
Yeah.
So, yeah, she's full. But the problem is like I keep eating her leftovers. So now we were supposed to go to a restaurant, but I can't. Like, there's no way. I ate all the leftovers. So nakakahinayang.
All the leftovers from all of us.
Or all of you guys. So, yeah. Pero, parang dinner na rin. So, we only ate twice today. So it's perfect. So, if you are, with your Mexican friends, would you recommend this place? You think they're gonna like this? They're gonna like this, right?
Yeah, I'm really.
She's very picky. So she likes that?
People gonna like it.
So actually, like, and then Davao street food is actually pretty clean. I think, right?
Yeah.
He said there's no flies,
No
or
flies,
anything.
no insects, nothing.
Yeah.
Yes.
So that's good.
It's
So,
fresh. The fish
yeah.
is there and there's no flies.
Sarap. I know fish too, right? Yeah.
Thank you. Oh my god.
Hey, Jerry.
I'm so. How do you say it?
Popular? Yeah.
You're famous
Wow.
in Davao.
She's popular here. Wow. Si Rania. That was, I'm gonna record on my phone.